In example 7, we want to solve an equation that can be simplified to the form y equals a times e to the kt. So here is our equation. We have 4 times the base of e to the power of 2x plus 5, which is equal to 12. So the first step that we want to do is, our goal is to be able to isolate the term that has a variable in its exponent. So just like you would when you'd solve equations, you want to isolate that base. So the first thing you want to do is subtract 5 to both sides. So if you subtract 5 to both sides in step 1, you're going to get 4 times e to the power of 2x, which is equal to 7. And now we still want to be able to isolate that base with a power of x. So we're going to divide both sides by the coefficient of the power, so we're going to divide both sides by 4. So now in step 2, we have e to the 2x, which is equal to 7/4. And so now, since we have a base of e, then we can take out that exponent by taking the natural log of both sides. So taking the natural log of e to the 2x is going to equal the natural log of 7/4. So this remains the same, but recall here that the base is e, so we automatically can then write out the exponent, which is 2x. So now 2x is going to equal the natural log of 7/4. And so if we want to solve for x, then we're going to divide both sides by 2, which is the same thing as multiplying it by 1/2. And therefore x is going to equal 1/2 times the natural log of 7/4.